Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can take a long screenshot in the Pinterest app on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's get on with this topic. So, first of all, friends, you will need to go to the App Store application on your iPhone. Next, you'll need to find an app called Zeta. Scroll down here a little bit, find the Zeta Stitch app, and click Download here. Once you download the app, click Open and accept all the terms of use for this app, and give it access to your gallery. Next, friends, I recommend you to go to the settings of your iPhone. Then select the setting here, which is called Control Center. And in the Control Center, you'll need to make sure that a shortcut like screen recording you have added. If it's not, then scroll down and in the bottom list of shortcuts that aren't added, you'll find screen recording and just click on the green plus sign next to it to add it. After that, friends, go to the Pinterest app. Then go to the option and section you want to go to. Swipe down from the top to go to the Control Center, and here, tap on Screen Recording. And in 3 seconds, as you can see there's a report going on, it's going to start recording the screen. You can scroll through. Slowly flip through. And finish flipping at the point that you need to. When you're done flipping, swipe down from the top and turn off screen recording. Next, friends, go from Pinterest to the Zeta Stitch app. And you'll be immediately switched to the last video you recorded. You'll need to crop it. To do that, just at the bottom of this right here, move this line to where you want it to go and up to the point that you want it to go. Perhaps, as you can see, this can be a little bit hard to do, but if you try your best, you'll be fine. And also crop your screenshot on the back. Then when you have made all the changes you need to make, click Next in the top right corner. Then, when the full, long screenshot is downloaded, you can view it. If you still need to crop anything here, and then click Save. And as you can see, you get a long screenshot like this, which you can immediately click and send to someone. You can also delete the original here, which is the screen recording that was there. And if you go to the gallery on your iPhone, you can see that your long screenshot, it's ready. And you can see what it looks like. You can zoom in on everything. And as you can see everything perfectly and clearly. Friends, this is how you can easily take a long screenshot in the Pinterest app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please leave your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.